going to do a hair appointment, but it got rescheduled. So today I want to take this ponytail and do something else with it. I have a fake ponytail from Bellami, and it's actually synthetic fiber, and so I want to attach it and try it out and see what it looks like. So that's my plan. I don't really know what I'm doing, so let's see if I can figure it out. Let me take out my comb. Okay, so it looks like it just has a little like clip thing that you put in there, and then you use this part to like wrap it around. So that seems easy enough. So let's see. Okay, it's got some Velcro, so it looks like the Velcro caught on. So that's cool. And then it's got a little part that's supposed to wrap around. And then let me get a safety pin to hold that little piece there. But wow, this looks really pretty. I'm gonna actually safety pin the hell out of it so it doesn't go anywhere. If I can get these safety pins to go in different directions, then it will lock it. You know, like two safety pins together going opposite ways will lock each other. So that would be good if I could do that. But I guess it doesn't have to be like super crazy like in there because I'm not really going anywhere. And the Velcro part of it does a really good job anyways. Okay. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. And like, if I whip it around, it still stays. My natural hair is like right in here, but it blends pretty well. So I would say this is a win. So the other thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hairspray everything. And then I'm gonna try something new. It's called Rita Hazan, and it's a root like touch-up spray. I'm gonna try to put a little bit of that right here where it's just a little bit thin because I have fine hair and it's like, I do have hair there, but it's blonde. So, okay. Oh, and then this is from Bellami. It's $50 normally, but I got it for free because there was a deal. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is the package from Bellami, and it says faux wrap ponytail. From Bellami, faux wrap ponytail. 180 grams. 24 inches, color 18, and it's synthetic. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm scared. I just don't want it to go everywhere. Wow, it's actually really dark. I should have gotten a lighter color. That's way too dark. And this says it's light brown. That does not look like light brown to me, but whatever. But okay, so you see this side versus this side. So, maybe I'm spraying it like too close. Does it really need to be that dark? Jeez, it's like black. That is way too dark. Maybe like when I blend it in or something. God, it's like black. Try to make a straight line. I like the idea, but I think next time I would not get this dark color. It's way too dark. Maybe it's me, maybe I'm doing it wrong. Sorry if you guys can hear all the noise. There's some festival going on. There's like a park right outside of where I live. Okay, so what I did was I took a washcloth and I wiped some of that off. And then I've got, what is this, Lorac, their bronzer and highlighter duo. So I'm just gonna take some bronzer and just kind of fill in little areas. Because it's just a little bit too dark or whatever. And like maybe a little bit too grayish. And I'm gonna try to like just blend it a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear the festival of air just going up crazy right now. I think it's like a children's festival. Okay, whatever, that's good enough. So here is the final result. I really do like this. I think I would actually wear this. And you can even wear this to the gym because it's a ponytail. Or you could make it into like a huge bun, but that would look better if it matched my hair color a little bit more. But if I got some highlights, then it would. The other thing you could do with this would be to braid it. That's cute. I would actually use that for work. I think I have a new favorite hairstyle. So my stylist called and she is scheduling my appointment for next Saturday, which is gonna work out better because then she'll have more time for me to make everything perfect, so yay. Okay, I'm gonna turn around and let's see what it looks like. I'm ready to go play tennis. I love this. Yay. And this was free, but it's really just $50 if you have to pay for it. Next Saturday, I'm getting my hair done and I have some new Bellami extensions. And they are, actually I've got them right here, so I'll show you guys. So these are silk seam, and I'll show you guys the tester. These are like a hybrid between having tape-ins, which I love the tape-ins because they lay flat, and clip-ins, and I love the clip-ins because you can have like short hair and then long hair and short hair and then long hair, and you don't have to sleep in it and you don't have to deal with tape. So it might look really stripy up here, but then when you look down here, it doesn't look stripy at all. So that's what I'm doing. The color is called Blonde. I think, let's see. Ash Blonde Highlight. And these are the silk seam 20-inch, 180 grams. So gonna be like this length. Yay! So that's what I'm doing. I still want to be pretty blonde, but I want for it to match. Yay! Anyways, thank you for watching my video. And if you want to see more stuff, then subscribe. And if you like it, then like it.